this is Danny back again for week number 4 of Fiber Gifts. So, I have some things in this box. Surprise, surprise. So let's make it not a surprise anymore, because it's not very fun when it's a surprise and we don't get to see what it is. So, here we go. Ta-da! This is the Bluegrass Mills hemp yarn that we carry. And this is just 3 of the 8 beautiful colors that you can get them in. This one's my favorite. But these are gonna go on sale on November 8th, so check that out. They are originally 28 bucks a cone, but they're gonna be on sale for $21.99 each. So check them out, get as many colors as you like, and make up something nice. Now I do have some samples here. Let's get these out. Ta-da! So just these beautiful, beautiful woven, let's open one. It's not fun to look at them when they're all tangled up. Ta-da! These beautiful napkins, or dish towels, whatever you want. You can make napkins out of them if you want. They would make lovely table linens. They are a little stiff to start, but you can see they have this just beautiful drape, and I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it has beautiful shine also. So this is going to be kind of similar in size to a 16-2 linen. So sets for that will work out very well. I think the lowest set for that is around 16 ends per inch for a plain weave, which is what this is. So you might want to check that out. So that will be November 8th.